Hello everyone, this video is a quick demo on how we can do daily consumption transactions in stock module in iQ-Metallika ERP software. So for this you need to open up your Google browser and type in the URL, which is login.iQ-Metallika. You can see here login.iQ-Metallika.com. Once you log in, you can see our login home page. Now every user of iQ-Metallika have her own unique login ID and password, which is given by admin department to them. So you need to enter that ID and password here, and after that just keep on pressing enter button to select the company, site and the year in which you want to enter, and after that you need to select the module. So we are going to make daily consumption, which comes under stock control. So I'll select stock control here and I'll press enter, and this is our home page for the stock control. So when I move to the upper left hand side of the screen, we can see transactions over here. Once I click the transactions, all the transactions would open up. Now our next step is to select the daily consumption store, because this video is regarding daily consumption. So I select this and my form for the daily consumption would open up. Now every time I'm gonna make a new data entry into iQ-Metallika system, we need to enter into an insertion mode button, because without pressing insertion mode button, we would not be able to save our data into iQ-Metallika system. So insertion mode button can be found on the left hand side of the screen, upper left hand side of the screen with the green color cross on it. You can see this is insertion mode button. So when I click this button, my form is highlighted. Now I am able to save my data into iQ-Metallika system. Now the daily consumption store. So what's the daily consumption store? In this transaction, we specify that at the end of the day, for the particular production, we have consumed these items and how much quantity we consumed. Alright, so you need to mention the quantity and the items you consumed for the production on the daily basis. So here we select without requisition, and issue code is something which is generated by the system automatically. You can enter reference issue code, which should be unique for your reference, and then again you'll select the division. When you press enter, it would take you to the list of divisions. Here you can see there's only finance, and you'll select this because every time you update any stock, it should be a voucher which is posted automatically into the finance. Alright, so when I'll press enter again, the date of list values would open up. Now I'll select this 19 and I again press enter, then the code for the items would open up. Now I select or search for the items which I have consumed on the daily basis for the production. So let's say first I have used diesel oil. There is no diesel, or I'm writing it incorrectly. Okay, yeah, here it is. It's diesel oil. When I drag it to right hand side, I can see all the details of the item, and I select this. Now you can see the available quantity is 165. Now again I'll press enter and select the size. Select the quality, which is standards. We need to select the cost center here, and you should select the cost center properly. Right, so for diesel oil, I'm dragging it to the downwards and searching for the correct cost center. Okay, so it's crane number 6. Alright, and here you should select revenue every time, and then again you should select revenue here also every time. So you can see from revenue store to revenue store. Alright, you need to mention revenue and revenue here, both the sides. Again, issue pieces, you can skip this portion, and the quantity that you have consumed. Alright, so let's say 45. Again press enter, and it will say, do you want to add more records? I'll say yes. Now again I need to select the item. So let's say hand gloves. Search for the item hand gloves. You can see here hand gloves cotton, let's say. Again, size, quality, standard. Just keep on pressing enter button, and the cost center. So let's say the cost center is, you need to select the cost center properly. Bundling machine. Alright, for the bundling machine we have consumed the hand gloves. So now from here the stiff store is revenue, available quantity is 55, to revenue store and quantity, that's 20. Again press enter, and I will search for the next item. Let's say it's rubber hand gloves. Rubber hand gloves. Okay, I'll select this. Now standard, and the cost center would be, let's say it's RD. Alright, so you can see different type of cost centers here. Now we need to select the proper cost center. So let's say it's this capital RD. Okay, now here you need to select revenue every time, then revenue, available quantity is 30. Now you need to enter quantity here because we cannot skip, this is mandatory portion, the quantity we have consumed. Let's say 30. Again press enter, and we'll search for the next item we have consumed. So let's say it's 0.25 HP Remy motor. Alright, so I'm searching for this. There's no such item, or maybe I'm making mistake in the writing. So let's search for the item by dragging this list. Alright, so we need to search for the motors. Let's type in motor here and let's see which motor comes up. Here are different type of motors. So let's say this motor we have consumed. Alright, and here the size and the quality, standard, and the cost center again. So you need to select the correct cost center for this motor. It should select electrical mill. Alright, and this revenue every time, available quantity 0. Now revenue, now 5. Alright, so no, I've completed my task. Again enter, and then my system would ask, do you want to save record? And I'll say yes. Now it says your record is saved. So this is how you can make entries for the daily consumption, store items with the quantity in iQ-Metallika ERP system. Hope this video would help you.